Hello and welcome you all in your math class. It's Deepak Tiwari, your teacher, here with the topic HCF and LCM. We have discussed in our first part HCF and LCM. How will you find the HCF? Now, in this part, we will be discussing about exercise 6b. Let me solve. The first question is having a first part, find the greatest number that will divide 54 and 81 without leaving any remainder. तो 54 और 81 को डिवाइड करने वाला वो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर कौन सा होगा जो एग्जैक्टली उनको डिवाइड कर रहा होगा. सो इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर, इट मींस दैट यू नीड टू फाइंड द एचसीएफ ऑफ दीज टू नंबर्स व्हिच वी हैव गिवन. तो अगर हमको ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर की बात की जा रही हो तो हमें क्या करना होगा, हमें उनका एचसीएफ फाइंड करना होगा. सो हियर द रिक्वायर्ड नंबर इज HCF of 54 and 81. So let me find the HCF of both these numbers. So look, the factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now again find the factors of 81. The factors of 81 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Look, we have getting the factors of both these numbers. Then find the common factors among them. उनके बीच में between them उनके common factors कौन से? Look, 3 here, 3 is here. These are the common ones. Now the 3 and 3 again and again 3 and 3. So the common factors between 54 and 81 are, which will be the HCF of both these would be 3 and 3 we will get 27. So 27 is the HCF, which is the required number from which if we divide these numbers from 27 we will get it as a having no remainder. Now let's move for the next section, which is the second part of first. Find the greatest number that will divide 33, 44 and 66. आपके पास तीन नंबर से 33, 44 and 66. तो वो कौन सा greatest number होगा which will divide all the three numbers without leaving any remainder. So हमने पहले भी क्वेश्चन में देख लिया कि HCF होगा, greatest number की बात करेंगे. तो find the HCF of all these numbers. The required number would be the HCF of these numbers. So look, find out the factors of 33, 44 and 66. देखते हैं क्या पाते हैं हम. Then 3, 11 and 11. तो फैक्टर्स कौन से हो गए 33 के? 3 into 11. Now 44 को देखते हैं. 44 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 11. Now 66 को देखें. Then 66 will be equal to 2 into 3 into 11. So we have the factors that is 3 into 11, that is and that one. तो इनमें कॉमन फैक्टर्स कौन से जो तीनों में आ रहे हो, तो तीनों में तो केवल 11 आ रहा है, 11 आ रहा है, 11 is the common factor among them. So the HCF of all these three numbers, the 33, 44 and 66 is 11 only. So the required number which divides 33, 44 and 66 is 11. तो required number आ जाएगा आपका 11. Now move to the third question. Second question, part A. Find the greatest number that will divide 33 and 45 leaving 3 as a remainder. तो इस केस में क्या है कि अभी तक तो हम ये बढ़ रहे थे कि having no remainder, लेकिन in that case we have the two numbers and we need to find the greatest number which will divide these two numbers with leaving remainder as a 3. तो 3 remainder बच रहा है. तो इस केस में जब भी remainder बच रहा होता है तो हमको पहला स्टेप करना है कि given number जो है 33, उसमें से जो रिमाइंडर है उसको माइनस कर देना है. देन वी विल गेट 30. तो अब नया नंबर ये मिला. देन अब आपका सेकंड नंबर क्या है 45. इसमें भी रिमाइंडर 3 बच रहा है, इसको भी माइनस करेंगे तो 42 हो गया. देन अब आपके पास ये जो दो नंबर से अब आप इनका फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. फाइंड द एचसीएफ ऑफ बोथ 30 एंड 42. लेट्स फाइंड 2, 15, 3, 5 and 5 बन जा. 2, 15 या 30, 3, 5 या 15 and 5 बन जा 5. Then the factors of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now about 42, that will be 42 will be equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Now find the common factors between them. The common factors are 2 and 2. Now it's common. Now 3 and 3. Okay. Then what are the common factors? The 2 and 3 only. So the HCF of both these numbers is 2 into 3, that is 6. So 6 is the required number from which if we divide 33 and 45, leaving remainder 3. Okay. Okay, now in question 4 of A part, find the greatest number that will divide 27, 41 and 50, leaving remainders 3, 5 and 12. तो वो नंबर आपको फाइंड करना है, तो इन तीनों को डिवाइड करें और 27 को अगर डिवाइड करने पे कितना रिमाइंडर बच रहा है 3, 41 को डिवाइड करने पे 5 रिमाइंडर बच रहा है और 50 को डिवाइड करने पे 2 रिमाइंडर बचना चाहिए। तो इसके लिए मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि 27 में से जो रिमाइंडर बच रहा है उसको माइनस करिए, दैट विल बी 24 एंड द सेकंड नंबर इज 41, सब्ट्रैक्ट किया 5 वी विल गेट 36 एंड from 50 subtract 2 we will get 48. So look, these are the three numbers which we have to find the factors. So find the factors of 24 at first. Then 2 12 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja and 3 1 ja. So 24 के factors क्या हो गए? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 by 3. Now 41 की अगर बात करते हैं, sorry, that is 36. So the remainders are 2 18 2 9 3 3 3 1. So 36 के factors having 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now find the factors of 48. The factors of 48: 2 24, 2 12, 2 6, 2 3 and 3 1. The factors of 48: 2 multiplied by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3. Now find the common factors among them. तो common factors की बात करते हैं, तो 2 इधर भी आ रहा है, 2 इधर भी आ रहा है, 2 इधर भी आ रहा है. Now move to the next. 2 2 and 2. Now 43 3 and 3. So basically these are the common factors among them. Then the required HCF would be 2 into 2 into 3. Then 12. So 12 is the required number from which if we divide 27, 41 and 50, leaving remainder 3, 5 and 2 respectively. Okay, now question number 5 is what is the greatest length of the tape whose length can be used a number of times to measure the length 56 cm and 140 cm. तो इस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको क्या करना है, क्या पूछा गया, ग्रेटेस्ट लेंथ ऑफ टेप. और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में मैंने बताया था whenever you ask to find the greatest number of greatest anything, you need to find the HCF only. And here we have the two numbers, need to find the HCF. Look it out. Find the HCF. 2, 28, 2, 14, 2, 7 and 7 1. Factors of 56 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now the factors of 140: 2, 70, 2, 35, 5, 7 and 7 1. The factors of 140 would be 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now find the common factors from them. 2 is here and 2 now here. We have taken 2 from here and then 2 again and 7 is there. So look, the HCF would be 2 into 2 into 7, that is 28 centimeters. So dear students, 28 centimeter of tape is required, which can be used as a number of times to measure the length 56 and 140 centimeter. So dear students, it's all about today's session. I will be coming with a new chapter or a new topic. Till then, take care and bye bye.